going to be talking about template gallery, and for those who don't know, it's a new utility for learning Hasura, and like Tom might say, could be in the future to help you plug multiple services like Notion or Stripe or anything with the new features that will come down the way. I wanted to do a shout out to the team that worked really hard on it, and Martin and Varun worked really, really hard, and the rest of the console team. So what is it? It's a utility that answered how can I experiment with Hasura? Like how can I experiment with permissions, relationships, enums, computed files, and any other new feature we can have. How can I get the most of my database and have example for triggers, functions, extensions, and this kind of stuff without having to go through a whole documentation and just you can try thing. And how do we try thing? Well, now we can go to the schema, to the database we want to do, and we have the new view with the template gallery, and we have like a lot of templates. Those are open source, so if you want to look at them, you can. And we're gonna work with two examples today. We're gonna look at the one-to-many, which is an example with an article and its author. And we can have a small description about what like it is, and we have the whole SQL statement that will be run. And like I said, it's open source, so like if you want to view it on GitHub, we can view the actual SQL here and the metadata if like we want. And so we can install it to try. So if we install the template, we see a new schema popped up here, and there is an article with values in it and authors. Yeah. And so like in the API, we can look at, we can already go through them and see, yes, we can see the data, it's already there. But this one was a simple one. It was only database and values in it. What about extensions? Like for example, what about fuzzy match? And so like the template will install the extension, the functions, and track it with all the Hasura magic behind it. And in the data, we can see we have a directory with companies, department, and names. And we can, let me copy the query, do a fuzzy search on them. Like I search for Yaha, and Yahoo was out, and Yahin because it was close. And that's about it for like what is template gallery. Soon you will be able to go here and want to have the link to how you can contribute to it. So it's still a work in progress. We should be able to have a spec down the next week or so. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask them on the chat. And yeah, thanks.